Welcome. This is our second video tutorial about Arduino. In this lecture we will cover the software or can say ID part of the Arduino. In the previous lecture we will cover the hardware part. Now we can cover the software part. So firstly we can download software. Move to Chrome, write Arduino.CC, which is the official site of the Arduino, and here click Windows. This is the page where we can download the Arduino software ID. Click to download page, and on this page you can easily download the software for Windows, for Mac, for Linux also. I already downloaded, so I'm pause it. You can find many more other things for learning about Arduino, and this site is a very popular and very easy site for beginners. So now let us move to the software which I have. This is the software. This takes some time to open. Okay, let's start. So this is our main ID software for Arduino. This used for program the hardware part, which is a circuit board. Some basic functions on there: open, new, example. This example is a very beneficial for the beginners. You can find already made programs on it, so you don't need to write programs. Sensors, display, strings, USB, almost all the programs are there for the beginners. You can see it. We will discuss all about these programs later. This is just a introductory part of the ID for the beginners, not for the advanced level students of Arduino. Some basic functions also there, tools, help, similar to other apps. So let us move to the main part. There are two setups. One is white setup and other is white loop. Two functions we can define. This is normal C actually. We can define integer in C as usual. And setup, we will define the mode of the pin, or say pin mode. This is the function pin mode, and we can define pin mode. What is pin mode? Input or output. Let us first write an integer led equals to 9. This is just an example. So we can write what is led. Led is a output for me, for example here. So we can write it led comma and space is the main thing, and then output in capital. This is also mandatory part because these are functions which are already defined. And in the void loop we define a function which we have to loop for 2 3 4 and as we want. So in the while loop part, for example, I write digital right. Okay, digital, one thing is digital, W is capital and all words are small here. This is function because, and in the bracket I can either write 9 or led and again comma and space and capital high. High indicates here in binary 1, low is equal in binary 0 and semicolon, and then delay for the 1000 millisecond here. So 1000 millisecond equals to 1 second. And I will also write digital write on the 9th pin. I want led low and delay this time is 100 milliseconds. Okay, so let me remove it and put a semicolon. So let's see. One thing is here to save it. This is a very good habit for the beginners to save it firstly. I will save it with sample program. Okay, save it. Now see this compiling. Okay, see, it's compiled, done compiling. So this is a very easy example, actually not the program. We will program from the basic in the next other lectures. This is just an introductory part, you can say, for the ID. One thing I forget here is there are two types of commands we can write. Arduino. Yeah. So first is this type of command for the this is the first type of command where we explain the program. See, I will put a comment, a starting comment, and all the program change to comment. So we have also a closing comment on it. So this comment is used for the program introduction, what the program can do or will do actually, and etc. Another type of comment is second type of comment is this. Not on both sides, just for one side. For this signifies what the function do on the line. Okay, let's take an example. This will glow or high the pin number 9. Okay, which is a LED. Okay, in this example we take LED on pin number 9 of the Arduino. Let's compile it. Again done compiling because it's ignored the command and no other change on the program. This is the same program. So in the next other lectures we will discuss about the basics program, but in the next lecture we will start electronic components basic for connecting the wire. We will deal with the Arduino as well as software. Okay, Arduino hardware as well as software. So thank you, and please subscribe to our channel named Arduino YouTube. So thank you, and do like, share, comment on this video. Thank you.